Hello dear students, once again welcome back to Northeast Skills Center online classes. Myself Namami Chankakati, your course trainer from Hospitality Operations Housekeeping, and today I will be taking a session on the topic Night Turndown Service from the Unit 3 of the Core Model Basic Housekeeping Operations. So let's begin. So lesson objectives of today's session are: at the end of the lesson, you all should be able to describe the task to be carried out during the turndown service and also explain the reason for providing turndown service. So dear students, before learning today's topic, that is night turndown service, step by step, let's have a look at a video in which a lady is providing turndown service to a guest room so that you all can understand the topic practically. So dear students, now let's have a look at the meaning of night turndown service. This is actually a special service provided by the housekeeping department in which a room attendant enters a guest room early in the evening to restock supplies like water bottle, ice, then any other bathroom supplies if it is used, then tidy the room and turn down the covers on the bed in preparation for the night. It normally starts at about 5 p.m. and is usually complete by 9 p.m. This is nothing but preparing of the bed and tidy up of the room in readiness for the guest to go to sleep. In a way, it promotes sales also of laundry services and in-room dining. And towel origamis are also placed to wow the guest in evening service. To provide the turndown service, the guest room attendant enters the guest room early in the evening and follows the procedures one by one. First, you need to always park the trolley near the guest room door. Then, ring the doorbell once, announce housekeeping, and wait for 10 seconds. Again, ring the doorbell and announce housekeeping before opening the room door slowly. So greet the guest with a smile, like say good evening sir, madam, and ask, may I turn down the room? And if there is no guest in the room, then open the door and leave it open while cleaning the room. Then after entering, you need to insert the card key to switch on the lights. So once you have entered the guest room, then you need to remove if there is any room service trays or trolleys from the room and keep it in the floor pantry and inform the in-room dining so that they can pick it up. Then you need to empty and clean the ashtrays if there is any, and empty the waste bin, the extra garbages or rubbish from the guest room. Then you need to wash up the used glasses, crockery or cutleries, and for that you need to keep them for washing in the wash basin, and then you need to clean it, wash it and make it dry and put it back in their original position. Then you have to tidy the bathroom and replenish toilet amenities and towels. And Finally, you need to turn down the bed to be used. If it is a single occupancy room, that means if there is only one guest, then you need to turn down one bed in twin bedded room and one side of king bed in king bedded room. And if there is double occupancy, that means if there are two guests in the room, then you need to turn down both the beds in twin bedded room, and for the king bedded room you have to turn the bed towards both the sides of a king bed. After that, you have to remove the bedspread gently by folding it neatly and put it back in the wardrobe area. In the same way, you have to remove the show pillows and store it in the designated location, that means the wardrobe area. Then always remember, you have to turn down the side of the bed nearest to the entrance of the room or towards the telephone side of the room if it is a single occupancy. Then on the side to be opened, hold the duvet and duvet cover and make a neat fold at 45 or 90-degree triangle. Then place the evening chocolates on the pillows for a single occupancy and 2 chocolates for double occupancy. Then place the foot mat on the turned down side of bed with sleepers on top. After that, you have to place the TV guide with remote control on top of the turned sheet. Then place sleeping garment on bed if available, or just hang the scattered cloth left by the guest in the cupboard. Then adjust the air conditioner controls according to the hotel standard and draw the day and night curtains. Turn off all the lights except the desk lamp and bedside lamp. And finally, while coming out of the room, you have to remove the card key and lock the door behind you. So dear students, this was from today's session. I hope you all have understood the topic. If you have still any doubt, then you can definitely ask me in my next class or you can call me. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day.